Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another vlog video. Now, I haven't been doing too many vlogs, but today I've got a lot that needs to be done. That horse trailer there needs to go, and then in behind that horse trailer is my XB Falcon station wagon barn find. Now, I picked that car up from Lightning Ridge many years ago, way before I started doing YouTube videos. That's why there's not a video about it. It's been sitting there in the shed ever since. I was planning on one day maybe restoring it. I got it for the right price and now I've decided it's got to go. I need the space, I'm running out of time and I've got too many projects, and I'm taking a little bit of a change in direction in my life, and I've got two project cars sitting there. I've got a third one, a four-wheel drive project car that I need to be doing. I can give you a quick look at those now and then we'll go and have a look at the station wagon. Okay, let's go. Now we're inside the shed and you can see why I'm having problems. Here's our little starlet that's been smashed up and it's still sitting here taking up space. Now my son's planning to fix that one day, so there's another project as such. So in saying I've got too many projects, let's go on to the next one. Here's my XB Falcon under the cover. It's a 74 model 2-door Falcon V8 and it's an unfinished project. It's just sitting under there. I've got videos about this car already on my channel if you want to look those up, or I might see if I can link them down in the description box. Now over here we go, I've got my XB Falcon Ute, also a partly finished project. Now this car was originally on the road for a little while and I used to drive this as my daily driver. However, I've decided to do some changes to the car and do some further upgrades, so now it's turned to another project. It's currently off the road, as you can see there, it's not registered. So the next project will be to get that car registered and back on the road, so that'll be the next one. And I'll be doing some more videos on these cars. Again, there's also videos of this particular car already on my channel, so I'll try and link those below for you as well if you're interested. Now here's another project, a Daihatsu Feroza 4-wheel drive. We've done a little bit of work on this car already. You can see the lights up the top there. We've fitted a bull bar and some driving lights behind there. We're going old school, not LED. This is a 92 model, I believe, or thereabouts. This will be my daughter's car. She really wants this once she gets her P plates, which won't be too long. So there's another car that I need to try and get going, so another project. Over here is the new rebuilt motor for that car which needs to go in there. So there's a fair bit of work on this as well. Now you can see why I'm starting to run out of time. Now over here is an XB Fairmont Factory 351. And this is a very rare car, 4-wheel disc brakes, and it's got all the options. I might do a video on this car once I get all the junk off it and get a little bit of space around it. There's no videos on this car yet. This car has sat here for years and years and years. I bought this originally out at Inverell, and apparently this particular car was sold at Wingham Ford on the New South Wales mid-north coast originally. And then it ended up out west for some reason, where I picked it up and brought it back to the mid-north coast, strangely enough. And over here is an XB station wagon, the one that we're going to get out of the shed today. It's a Fairmont and it's still sitting up on car stands at the moment, so we're going to try and get this out, and this will be sold off to free up a little bit of space and also a little bit of money to put into these other projects. I'll need to get my XB Ute finished. This is a Fairmont factory 6-cylinder. I'm not sure about the history of this, apart from that I picked it up out at Lightning Ridge, as mentioned earlier. Now this car here was originally sold at Tamworth Ford out west, and now it's ended up on the mid-north coast. I purchased this car in 1986. Yes, you've heard that right. I bought this car in 1986 in Sydney. and I've owned it ever since. It's been rebuilt twice. It used to be my daily driver twice, and now it's undergoing its third rebuild since I've had it, and it's almost finished, but it does need a fair few finishing touches, and I'll probably should be getting stuck into these cars very shortly, and there should be a lot more videos of these cars coming up. So if you're interested in these sort of cars, don't forget to hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss these new videos that will be coming out. I'll give you a bit of a glimpse. I'll lift this up. Here we go. Novelty number plates on the back. And if you lift that up, I've actually sourced the original dealer sticker there and put it on the back window. JT Fossies at Tamworth. And again, check out the other videos on this particular car if you're interested in seeing more. A lot of work's gone into this. Now, after that little look at my shed, you can probably see what my problem is. Too many cars, too many projects, not enough space and not enough time. So I've got to rationalise things. As you saw in the other videos, I had a couple of utes sitting out here which are already sold off and gone to their new owner. So that wagon there will hopefully find a new owner very shortly once I get it out the shed, give it a bit of a clean up and get it ready for sale. I mean, I've got to do this because I've come to the realisation I'm not going to live long enough to be able to do all these projects and still be able to keep up with the rest of my life. So let's get rid of some of this stuff, get some cash flow happening and actually get some cars on the road that I can use, drive and enjoy. That's the whole point of this.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show.
Okay, here's my newly found workshop space. So hopefully I'll be able to clean this up a bit and expand my workshop into this area, and there'll be more videos on this coming up anyway as we go along. And there's the car sitting outside now. Now, as you can see over here, we have achieved what we wanted to achieve today. We've got this car on the trailer. It's now parked outside the shed, and we have freed up some shed space inside the shed for me to start building and expanding my workshop a little bit. Now, the next video we'll have a closer look at this car and check out the insides, the outsides, and also we'll give it a bit of a clean up and get it ready for sale. So I'll be doing a whole video on how to prepare this car for sale so we can sort of hopefully maximise the money that we'll get for it. So the money from this car will be going straight back into the other cars and into expanding my workshop. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos about this car, about my shed, and for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. These flies are driving me crazy. I'm now going to go inside, sit in the aircon and edit this video.